So this is the concept I came up for the new neck. If you watched my previous videos, you'll know what the previous neck mechanism looked like. So I went ahead and 3D printed this piece. It's going to go right here. And it gets a little bolt to hook onto there. So this is the only gear out of the neck assembly we're keeping. And now with that in there, I'm just gonna, it's a bearing now, move side to side. This is actually gonna be the top part. And this is the new concept of the neck assembly I made. It's not complete yet. It's gonna sit right up there. So we're gonna have probably a servo that'll turn this gear so I can look side to side. The head's going to be right here, on here, and this one will move. It'll tilt when it's connected. It'll tilt the head forward and back. This part hasn't been made yet. This is the other actuator that's going to push a part I haven't made yet. So it's going to be sort of like this, but then it's going to go side to side. So the head wheel will tilt side to side as long with move forward and back just like a normal head, and also rotate side to side when it's completed. That's what I have so far. I just want to show you the progress, and if you're not following me yet, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up and please comment. Thank you for watching.